Good evening, all. Happy Purnima. Thank you so much for the wishes and thank you so much for joining the divine chanting session. Okay, we'll start with the Ganesha mantra. Shuklam Varadharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vignopashantiye. So today is full moon day. Anybody wants to say what you know about the full moon day, Purnima day? Why the spiritual sadhana is done, given importance on this particular day? You can type in. You can type in. Anybody wants to share or tell why Purnima is special? Happy Gujari Purnima. Okay. Why Purnima is special? Anybody knows? What is the significance of full moon day? Okay, what does it mean? I really don't know. Intense energy. Okay, got it. Yeah, so I'll just start with, we'll wait for some more people might join. I don't want them to miss. So first I'll start off with a simple story which I heard very recently in one of the Insta reels. Okay, I just want to start with that. So there was one incident where there was a conversation between Arjuna and Krishna Paramatma and Arjuna. So Arjuna saw a beggar and he told, "How can I help this beggar?" Yes, full moon day is full of more energy. I will tell you the importance in some time after this story. Okay, so Arjuna will tell, I want to like help this beggar. So he will tell, okay, fine. Krishna Paramatma will tell, okay, fine. Let's give him one bag of gold coins. Okay. So they will give him gold coins and tell from now onwards, don't beg. So they will give that bag of gold coins to the beggar. Okay. Now the beggar is so happy. He will hold that gold coins in the hand. He'll be going somewhere. But suddenly a robber will come and he'll take away that gold coins. He will take away that gold coins. Again, Krishna Paramatma and Arjuna will be watching him. The next day morning, again he is begging. Then they will go and ask him, Arjuna will ask him, what happened? Why are you begging again? So he will tell that a robber took away all the gold coins, what you gave. But Arjuna is like, okay, fine. He does not know whether to trust him or not, but still Krishna Paramatma will tell, give him diamond instead of gold, give him diamond now. So beggar will be gifted with a diamond. Now he is very happy. Beggar is very happy. He will go and he will try to hide that diamond in his house. So he will go, he will find a place in a kitchen and he will find one matka in the kitchen and he will put the diamond in that and he will go to sleep peacefully. What will happen? His wife will come, take the same matka out of all the matkas and go to the river to fetch the water. So now his diamond will go off in the river. Okay. Now again he is like next morning Arjuna is monitoring him. Arjuna will see that again he is begging. So Arjuna will ask Krishna, what is this? Again, this person is begging in spite of giving him diamond. So he'll tell the same story. Again, I lost it. Something happened. My wife went to fetch water in the same pot. So he lost the diamond. Now Krishna Paramatma will tell him, give him just 2 rupees, 2 coins, 2 coins, two rupees. Just give him 2 rupees. So the beggar, Arjuna will give 2 rupees to the beggar and Arjuna now will start following him, following the beggar. What is this beggar going to do with this 2 rupees? So while going, the beggar will see a fisherman. A fisherman will be holding fishes, and in that fishes, one of the fish will be jumping. One of the fish will be jumping. So this beggar will feel, at least I will give this 2 rupees to this fisherman and put that fish which is jumping or trying to survive to the water back. Okay, so now he has just two rupees, but he's thinking about fish's life. He's thinking that, okay, I will put back that fish to the river and I will give life to it. So the moment he gives the 2 rupees to the fisherman, he'll take the fish, and suddenly he realizes that that fish has the diamond in its mouth and he'll get the diamond back. So he's jumping. I got the diamond back. I got the diamond back. Seeing that, shouting, there is that robber who had robbed the gold coins. He will think that he is calling people to chase the robber. So that robber will come and tell, I will give back all your gold coins. Don't shout, don't make hangama. I will give back all your gold coins. Now the gold coin also came back, the diamond also came back. Now Krishna, Arjuna is like puzzled. What happened? Suddenly he's getting the diamond, suddenly he's getting the gold coins back. What is this Leela? So Krishna Bhagavan will tell, I gave him gold coins. He thought about only about himself. I gave him diamond. He thought about only about himself. I gave him only 2 rupees, but he thought about others. He started thinking about others. The moment you start thinking about others, well-being of others, I will bless you everything back. So that is the moral of the story. Did you like the story? Did you understand the story? I saw it in an Insta reels. Yeah, day before yesterday. You can type in, like, if you like the story, if you understood the story. Yes, he had mercy too. So it is like Jana Seve, Janardana Seve, and also Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. The moment you think about others, knowingly or unknowingly, God just makes sure you are protected from all sides. Others, anybody did you understood the story? Do good always. Yes. Do good always. Yes. Very true. Do good always. Yes. On a daily basis, in what every step, how you can contribute to people who come in touch with you, who come in contact with you is more important. You don't have to search and go for people to help. Whoever comes in touch with you in your daily life, when you're crossing the road, when you're going outside, animals, birds, whatever it is, right, in your own best possible way, if you become very conscious and with awareness, if you start helping, for example, you put a meal, you put food for your plate while you're eating in the afternoon lunch or morning or breakfast or whatever. If you hear a crow making noise, ka ka ka, so that means the crow is hungry, crow is expecting some food outside from your hand. Yes, correct. Arjuna Srinivasan. Okay. So you got it right. So the moment you put the food in your plate, now you're hearing a bird, crow making noise near your door or near your window. So that means when you're eating the food, before eating, go and offer the crow. So the crow also will bless you. So living every moment of your life with awareness is the true being. Okay. So we are all interconnected. So now I'll just start with full moon day. On a full moon day, one second. On a full moon day, the moon is very close to the earth. The moon is very close to the earth on a full moon day. And on a full moon day, the sun's radiation is at the highest. Since sun's radiation is at the highest, what does the moon, where does the moon get light from? Moon does not have its own light. So moon also, since the sun is radiating at the highest power, the moon also radiates at the highest frequency and it is nearest to the earth. So moon's rays on this particular full moon day will be at the highest frequency, highest energy. So what happens is, in they also call moon calm, and for also is held responsible for the peace. Okay, so moon's rays are so powerful that the water content on the earth will get pulled. Okay, so if you are aware, the ocean tides on full moon day is at the highest. The ocean tides, like the waves of the water in the ocean, is very powerful on full moon day. So they also say don't go on a full moon day near the seashore or the ocean and stuff like that. The reason is the the moon's rays, not tsunami, no, not tsunami, but by default on full moon day, the power of the moon is very powerful. So the water content on the earth also gets pulled. So naturally, whatever you do on a full moon day gets magnified. For example, you're charging a mobile with 5 watts charger, it will take 1 hour to get charged, 2 hours to get charged. The same thing, if you charge it with 50 watts or 20 watts charger, the charging is quicker. Like that, if you meditate or you do any spiritual sadhana on a full moon day, it gets amplified. It gets amplified. See, even if you're doing the sadhana for half an hour, it gets amplified in such a way that it goes like multiple times. It gets amplified, magnified. It gets expanded. Whatever little effort you're putting, the result is tremendous, and your progression towards the spiritual sadhana or self-realization, the inner journey or inner realization is quicker when you do any sadhana on a full moon day. Okay, and on top of that, human body is made up of 70% to 80% of water. By naturally, the liquid content in your body also will be elevated. So if you do meditation, if you do any spiritual sadhana, right, the energy will be uplifted by default like in a magnifying way. Okay, you can feel the difference when you do any sadhana on a full moon day and a normal day. If you are a constant practitioner, like if you are constantly doing meditation, if you're constantly doing any sadhana, right, you can feel that vibration, energy frequency difference. Okay, so this is about full moon day. Yes, high tides. But there is a saying that the moon was stained. Can you explain, ma'am? Okay, that it is like moon is very beautiful. Okay, so the scar on the moon represents Devi's Tilaka also. There is one shloka in effect will be multifolded in my okay. There is a shloka in one Lalita Sahasranama where her uh, like Sindura represents the scar on the moon. So that we will get into detail maybe when we are explaining. For now, we will stick like on full moon day, the rays are very powerful. Okay, second thing is, anybody knows about Pyramid Valley? Pyramid Valley is a spiritual meditation center which is very beautiful, and it has a pyramid structure, huge pyramid structure in Bangalore, and it is there in every city like Chennai, Hyderabad, every place there is a Pyramid Valley. It is like it is a a spiritual place where you can go and meditate, and they have a special event happening on every full moon day. On every full moon day in Pyramid Valley, there is a meditation happening between 8 to 11 o'clock in the night. 8 to 11 o'clock in the night, and the Pyramid Valley is open for the whole night for people who are interested to continue the meditation. So the the meditation hall is very huge, and it is in the shape of a pyramid, and it is also told that the pyramid shape attracts the highest energy. And inside that pyramid shape, there is also called Raja Chamber. Raja Chamber, where the Raja Chamber, if you go and sit, right, you can literally feel the vibrations. Though you're anybody, any new person also can feel that vibration. So anybody knows Pyramid Valley in Bangalore, because I am from Bangalore, I have heard that it is there in Hyderabad and other places. Every city mostly has a Pyramid Valley. Okay, so that is a specially made pyramid so that the vibration is at the highest. Okay, so you can feel the energy flow, especially if you're sitting in the Raja seat, which is in the center of the pyramid structure. So it will have limited seats, the Raja seat, but still, if you get an opportunity to visit, it is a mind-blowing place, and every month it happens. Rekha, very nice. Very nice. Kanakpura. Yes, it happens in Kanakpura. Had been there last month for the full moon meditation. Yes, they also release ads, and the beauty is that it happens with a music. So there will be musicians playing either flute or some kind of a music for the entire 2 hours, 9 to 11, entire 2 hours they will play the music, and you will just close your eyes. Like, eyes is the open for the outer world. So it is recommended when you are sitting for meditation or any spiritual sadhana, close your eyes. So once you close your eyes, your inner self gets awakened. So it is always recommended that you should close your eyes, because you focus more on inner self. Uh, Meditation and spiritual sadhana or inner, it's more of an inner journey. So it's not about outer world. So you close your eyes to disconnect from the outer world, and you focus on your inner self, the Atma getting connected with the Paramatma. So that is the process. So they recommend, don't open your eyes for the next 2 hours, and also sit as much as possible in a still position, and your spine should be erect, because it is also told that energy flows gets distracted if you sit, bend and sit and stuff like that. So the chakras get activated is what they say, and you can also feel the bliss. Yes. Okay, so since this is an auspicious day, I will start with my gratitude prayer, which I generally do practice on a daily basis in my life. So since you are all have joined, not half opening eye, as during dhyana thoughts distract. No, initially it distract, but over a period of time, once you have mastered the meditation, it is like not half opening. Yes, you have to close your eyes fully. Meditation is nothing, just like learning how to ride a cycle or a car or swimming or whatever, something new. So initially you will find it very hard. Initially you'll find it very hard, but once you have practiced it, just like cooking also, when you're learning, you're consciously searching for items, consciously learning. But once you've mastered it, right, you can sit for 2 hours also, you can sit for 3 hours also. It all depends on how much of time invested on yourself, for your gifted yourself. Okay, I recommend, peace is the best thing, and peace and bliss and connecting to yourself, you get it only when you sit silently, when you meditate. So meditation is a period. Initially, you will get all thoughts and all those things. Any negative thoughts, cut it. Like cut the weeds. Okay. And positive thoughts also will be coming around. Just be a watcher. Don't do anything. Later, if you feel the positive thoughts are very good, you can record it. Otherwise, you can just let go. You become a watcher in a meditation state. And meditation is not just 10 minutes or 5 minutes or half an hour sitting and meditating. Meditation is carry forwarding the entire awareness for the entire daily activities, doing everything in your daily life with awareness, doing anything that you do with awareness. It can be cooking, it can be job that you're doing with awareness and with love and gratitude is meditation. Doing everything with gratitude with awareness is meditation. Even bath can become a therapeutic meditative. Watering plants can become meditative. Meditation is not just 1 hour session. No, it is your life will become meditative if you become aware. And listening to music will become meditative. Watching TV, I don't know, I don't watch that much. So everything becomes meditative once you start practicing awareness and becoming aware every now and then. Okay. Thank you. We will start with you. If all are comfortable, you can just close your eyes. I will take you through my gratitude prayer. If something resonates, you can connect back with the same. If you have questions, you can ask later, and then I'll start the Lalita Sahasranama chanting. Lalita Devi, Devi, other name is Shakti. Shakti means energy. So we are invoking the energy inside us. The energy is in the form of water, in the form of air, in the form of fire, in the form of sky and earth. So Panchabhutas, okay? So my gratitude prayer is generally I thank the all the planets. I just chant Namah Suryaya, Chandraya, Mangalaya, Budaya cha, Guru Shukra, Shanivecha, Rahue, Ketuve, Namo Nama. Surya, I'm very connected. I do a sun soaking meditation almost every day because I feel Rama's ancestor is Surya. Surya is directly reachable. There is no priest in between and no puja in between. He will come talk to you every day. He's the Guru for Anjaneya, and also he is a emotional healer and a physical healer. So, sun is like morning sun between 8 to 9. I just enjoy and I just have so much of gratitude. Without sun, there is no life in the universe. Sun is a life force energy. So I go and appreciate sun and thank. I'm grateful for sun and other planets. And also Panchabhutas, there is Navadurga Puja, Navadipa Puja, which happens where they thank Jala Durge, Vayu Durge, Agni Durge, Akasha Durge, Bhu Durge. So five elements I thank, and the community workers, mates, rap pickers, the BBMP people who come to take the garbage, doctors, police, freedom fighters, Navy people, all the army people, whoever is protecting us at the borders, I thank them. And starting from the simplest worker who are helping to the great people, freedom fighters, because of them, their sacrifice that we are there here. And the source of money, from where the money is coming, where I'm able to nurture my family and my children and everybody around me. So my company and my tenants and many other sources from where I'm getting the money energy. And also for all the living and non-living things that I'm using, starting from the mobile to phone to laptop to all the utensils that we use on a daily basis, my car, my vehicle, the building, whatever little things, even the pen, the book, the paper, whatever non-living things also is energy. I thank them from the bottom of my heart. And I thank my body parts because my body parts are functioning unconditionally from the day I'm born till today and giving me energy, giving me many things. Because of them, I'm able to do this chanting event also. So I'm very, very, very thankful to my body parts and body organs and all those things. And I thank the Mother Earth and nature and river and animals. They are the life force energy. I thank the food that comes to my plate, starting from the seed which is being sowed till the person who has prepared it, and the people who are involved in the transaction of harvesting to bringing marketing to everybody. Whoever the food has gone through and reached my plate, I thank the people involved and bless them, and then eat my food. And I also thank my gurus, real time gurus, and spiritual gurus, my ancestors, wherever they're there, both my paternal side, maternal side, and my in laws side, and couple of my special friends who are not there today, and people in my family, my friends, my husband, my parents, my relatives, my enemies who have helped me uplift myself in this spiritual journey. My kids also who are supporting me in this journey. I also thank my Ishta Devatas. My Ishta Devata is Lakshmi Narsimha, Ugram Veeram, Mahavishnum, Jwalantam, Sarvatomukam, Narsimham, Bhishanam, Badram, Mrutyum Namamyaham. I also connect with Lalita Devi a lot and Banshankari Mata, Banshankari Devi, and Ganesha, Anjaneya, and then Shanamatma, and then I connect with Mahakal Ujjain, Kamakya, and then Kanchi Kamakshi, because my painting is displayed and it is a major blessing from her as well. Like this, I I cover the entire universe around me, and Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. And thank you for one and all who is present in this particular call also. Thank you so much. Anybody has any doubt, question, we can start the chanting. If you resonate with the gratitude prayer, you can also pick it up. It will hardly take 5 minutes. But believe me, from the day I started chanting, having saying this gratitude prayer, I can see a tremendous shift in my life. Many things. The existence has taken care of me. Ihaku paraku. Ihaku paraku means in this materialistic world also I have been blessed with everything, even in the I don't know in the spiritual world, but then I am trying to do as much as possible. And you can follow me on Insta. I'll just type my Insta handle. If people are there, you can follow me on Insta. Sometimes I'm creating videos also, whichever is relevant. And last time, some people asked for painting order for Sringeri, I think. Uh, as much as possible, I'll try to do it in 15 days, but usually it takes 2 months to 3 months. But if there is an urgency, I will try to pull out time and then give the order as early as possible. This is one thing. And yeah, anybody has any questions, or I'll start with the Lalita Sahasranama. So we will meet every full moon day and Amavasya day. That is every new moon day. New moon day also new something new you start. It is profound, and especially people who are worshipping Devi energy, right? It has a special effect every full moon day and Amavasya in all the Devi temples. They do early morning abhishekam and early morning pujas to please her, to get the blessings and all those things, and even till the night they do the chanting and all those things. And if you get an opportunity to go to Pyramid Valley, I strongly recommend you, with the music, with the musicians playing it for 2 hours, with the pin drop silence, sitting inside the pyramid with the highest energy level. The vibration is very different. Ma'am, please, if possible, make it on Fridays too. There is a separate group where I'm thinking of. I will let you know. I will announce in this group in case if I do it on Fridays. But as of now, full moon day and Amavasya is what I'm doing. But with time, if Devi is able to take out time for me, I will try to contribute. Okay. So first we start with the Dhyanam. Dhyanam is visualizing Devi and bringing her to your art and touching her like feet, visualizing her feet, touching her feet, and then taking her blessing and then chanting. Thank you so much, ma'am. I wish you, ma'am Lalita, blessing should be always with you, with everybody. Thank you so much. Hmm. So I have created English Lalita Sahasranama group and Kannada Sahasranama group. With time, I might start explaining in Kannada and English. If you people are interested, you can go join the respective group. But otherwise, you can still continue being in this group. The meaning part, I've still not elevated that much myself. So it will be more like we together learning. It is not me telling me telling the meaning. It will like all together we will discuss on one mantra. We will be discussing about this mantra next week. So everybody will do some homework on that particular line and then share their learning. So it will be like a mutual learning. It is not like only me telling something and you take away. No, I want that thing. And I'm thinking of early morning because I wake up very early morning and that works out for me. Somewhere between 5:15 a.m. to 5:45 a.m. is what I'm thinking of having the meaning classes in Kannada and in English. In Kannada, it will be on Tuesday. In English, it will be on Friday. This is what I have thought. But I'll release a poll or people can vote so that based on that vote, we can decide. Okay, thank you so much. Sinduraruna Vigraham. Sinduraruna Vigraham means red face. Our entire body and face is radiating. It is like red. Sindura. Sindura means red. Sinduraruna Vigraham means the entire visualization is red. Yes, ma'am, we both in Kanchi Kamakshi temple in Abhishekam. Meeru Amma, given gift. Yes, thank you so much. Yes, you have seen the painting. Yes, I have given, not I have given, God has, Meenakshi, like Kanchi Kamakshi Ambal has chosen me to give that painting. So it is not me painting, she is doing her painting by herself through me. That is all. So I am just a stick in her hand, somebody told, or I am just an instrument. So you people have something to learn, and I have just been chosen. That's all. Trinayanam. Trinayanam means three eyes. She has three eyes. That is why it is called Agnya Chakra. Agnya Chakra is held responsible for intuition. We always, when we have some trouble or some problem, right, we go and ask others for help or guidance or suggestion. No, you sit in dhyana and activate your third eye, intuition. You listen to your inner self. The moment you listen to your inner self, right, the inner energy, inner like Devi Shakti, there is God inside you also. Your body is your temple and God resides inside you, not outside. Bring her and make her sit inside. So that intuition power, Trinayanam, Manikya Maulispurat, with ruby crown, she is been like, she has, she visualization is like that, Lalita Devi's. She's wearing a crown with rare ruby, red ruby pearls. Tara Nayaka Shekaram, that Ashtami Chandra, she is wearing it on her head. Smita Mukim, my smiling face. Mapina Vakshoruham, a chest is filled with milk, or whoever goes to her, right, will be nourished. Will be nourished in many ways. She's like Mata, she's the universal mother. So anything you go and ask her with love, affection, she will grant it. She will grant it when you're ready. First, she'll make you ready and then she will grant it. If she does not grant any wish, it is not that she is not listening to you. She is protecting you or she is making you ready. That is the process. Okay. And she gives what you deserve at the right time. So it is like this. the transmitter will work when the receiver is ready to receive it. If we tell some advice to others who are not listening, it will not go to their head. If I go tell Lalita Sahasranama chanting for people who don't resonate with me, they'll think that I'm talking gone mad. But you people resonate with me. That's why you have joined, taken out 1 hour of your time, precious time, gifted it to yourself, and you have joined the Zoom link. So you should thank yourself for gifting 1 hour to yourself. Okay, Panibhyam Malipurna Ratna Chashakam Raktotpalam Vibhratim means she's holding two bowls of one with honey and one with red color bowls, and then something else also is there in the meaning. Saumya means she is Shantarupa. Ratna Gatastha Charanam, Ratna Gatastha Rakta Charanam means Ratna Gatastha, she is sitting on the crown. She's thrown like on the Simhasana chair. She's sitting on the Simhasana chair and she is keeping one leg on the red color table to keep her foot like empress. She's the empress. She's like Katappa, what do you say? What do you, Bahubali movie? What Mahesh Mati, she's there, right? Like that, she's the empress of the entire universe. Okay, Devi. So you are visualizing her feet, which is put with red, which is decorated with red mehendi, and then anklets and other things, and then you're seeing her feet in your imagination and taking her blessings and starting the Lalita Sahasranama chanting. Okay. Om Aim Reem Shrim Shri Matre Namaha. श्रीमाता श्री महाराज्ञे श्रीमत् सिंहासनेश्वरी चिदग्निकुंड संभूता देव कार्य समुद्यता उद्यद्भानु सहस्राभा चतुर्बाहु समन्विता रागस्वरूप पाषाढ्या क्रोधाकारांकुशोज्वला मनोरूपेक्षुकोदंडा पंचतन्मात्र सायका निजारुण प्रभा पूरा मज्जद ब्रह्मांड मंडला चंपका अशोक पुन्नाग सौगंधिक लसत्कजा कुरुविन्दमणिश्रेणी कनत्कोटीरमण्डिता अष्टमी चन्द्रविभ्राजा दलिकस्थलशोभिता मुखचन्द्रकलङ्काभ भृगनाभिविशेषका वदनस्मरमाङ्गल्य गृहतोरणचल्लिका वक्रलक्ष्मी परिवाह चलन्मीनाभलोचना नवचम्पकपुष्पाभा नवचम्पकपुष्पाभा नासादण्डविराजिता ताराकांति तिरस्कारी नासाभरण बासुरा कदम्ब मंजरी क्लिप्ता कर्णपूर मनोहरा ताटंक युगलीभूता तपनोडुपमंडला पद्मराग शिलादर्शी परिभाविक पोलभू नवविद्रुम बिंब श्रीन्योंकारि रतनच्चदा शुद्ध विद्यांकुराकार द्विजपङ्क्तिद्वयोज्ज्वला कर्पूरमीटिका मोदा समाकर्षा दिगंतरा निज सल्लाप माधुर्य विनिर्भस्तिक कच्चपि मंदस्मित प्रभापूरा मज्जत कामेश मानसा अनाकलित सादृश्य चिबुक श्री विराजिता कामेशबद्ध मांगल्य सूत्र शोभिता कंदरा कनकांगद गेयूर कमनीय भुजान्विता रत्न कैवेय चिंता कलोल मुक्ता फलान्विता कामेश्वर प्रेम रत्नमणि प्रतिपणस्तनी नाभ्यालवाल रोमाली लतापल कुचद्वयी लक्षरोमलतादार तासमुन्नेय मध्यमा स्तनभारदलन्मध्य पट्टबन्धवलित्रया अरुणारुण कौस्तुम्ब वस्त्रभास्वा तटी तटी रत्नकिङ्किणिकारम्य रशनादामभूषिता कामेश ज्ञात सौभाग्य मार्दवोरुद्वयान्विता माणिक्य मकुटाकार जानुद्वय विराजिता इंद्रकोप परिक्षिप्ता स्मरतोरण भुजांगिका गूढ़गुल्पा कूर्म पृष्णो जयिष्णु प्रपदान्विता नगदीदि संचन्ना नमज्जन तमो गुणा पदद्वय प्रभाजाल पराकृत सरोरुहा शिंजाण मणिमंजीरा मंडित श्रीपदाम्बुजा मराली मंदगमना महालावण्य शेवदी सर्वारुणन्नवद्यांगी सर्वाभरण भूषिता शिवकामेश्वरांगस्ता शिवस्वाधीन वल्लभा. 1 second, I'll just. तुमेर मध्य शृंगस्था श्रीमन्नगर नायिका चिंतामणि गृहांतस्था पंच ब्रह्मासन स्थिता महापद्माटवी संस्था कदम्बवनवासिनी सुधा सागर मध्यस्था कामाक्षी कामदायिनी देवर्षिगण संगाता स्तूयमानात्म वैभवा भंडासुरवधोद्युक्ता शक्ति सेना समन्विता संपत्करी समारूढ़ा सिंदूर वज्र सेविता अश्वारूढ़ाधिष्ठिताश्व कोटि कोटि बिरावृता चक्र राजरतारूढ़ा सर्वायुध परिष्कृता गेय चक्र रतारूढ़ा मंत्रिणी परिसेविता गिरिचक्र रतारूढ़ा दंडनाथा पुरस्कृता ज्वाला मालिनी काक्षिप्ता वह्नि प्राकार मध्यगा बंड सैन्यवदोद्युक्ता शक्ति विक्रम हर्षिता नित्या पराक्रमाटोपा निरीक्षण समुत्सुका बंडपुत्र वदोद्युक्ता बाला विक्रम नंदिता मंत्रिण्यंबा विरजिता विशंगवदतोषिता विशुक्र प्राणहरणा वाराही वीर्यनंदिता कामेश्वर मुखालोका कल्पित श्री गणेश्वरा महागणेश निर्विघ्न विघ्नयंत्र प्रहर्षिता बंडासुरेंद्र निर्मुक्त शस्त्र प्रत्यस्त वर्षिणी खरांगोलिन गोत्पन्ना नारायण दशाकृति महापाशुपतास्त्राग्नि निर्दग्धासुर सैनिका कामेश्वरास्त्र निर्दग्ध सबंडासुर शून्यका ब्रह्मोपेन्द्र महेन्द्रादि देव संस्तुत वैभव हरनेत्राग्नि संदग्ध काम संजीवनौषधि श्रीमद्भागवकूटैक स्वरूप मुख पंकजा कंठाद कटि पर्यंत मध्यकूट स्वरूपिणी शक्तिकूटैकतापन्न कट्यदो भागधारिणी मूल मंत्रात्मिका मूलकूटत्रैकलेवर कुलामृतैकरसिका कुल संकेत पानिनी कुलांगना कुलांतस्था कौलिनी कुलयोगिनी अकुला समयांतस्था समयाचार तत्परा मूलाधारैक निलया ब्रह्म ग्रंथि विभेदिनी मणिपूरांतरुदिता विष्णु ग्रंथि विभेदिनी 100 names complete आज्ञा चक्रांतरालस्था रुद्र ग्रंथि विभेदिनी सहस्रांबुजारूढ़ा सुदासाराभिवशिनी तटिल्लस समरुचि षट्चक्रोपरि संस्थिता महाशक्ति कुंडलिनी बिसतंतु तनीयसी भवानी भावना गम्या भवारण्य कुटारिका भद्रप्रिया भद्रमूर्ति भक्त सौभाग्यदायिनी भक्ति प्रिया भक्ति गम्या भक्तिवश्यापयापहा शांभवी शारदाराध्या शर्वाणी शर्मदायिनी शांकरी श्रीकरी साध्वी शरश्चंद्र निबानना शातोदरी शांतिमती निराधारा निरंजना निर्लेपा निर्मला नित्या निराकारा निराकुला निर्गुणा निष्कला शांता निष्कामा निरुपवला नित्य मुक्ता निर्विकारा निष्प्रपंचा निराश्रया नित्य शुद्धा नित्य बुद्धा निरवध्या निरंतरा निष्कारणा निष्कलंका निरुपाधि निरीश्वरा निरागारागमदनी निर्मदा मदनाशिनी निश्चिंता निरहंकार निर्मोहा मोहनाशिनी निर्ममा ममता हंत्री निष्पापा पापनाशिनी निष्क्रोधा क्रोध शमनी निर्लोभा लोभनाशिनी निस्संशया संशयग्नि निर्भवा भवनाशिनी निर्विकल्पा निराबाधा निर्भेदा भेदनाशिनी निर्नाशा मृत्युमतिनी निष्क्रिया निष्परिग्रह निस्तुला नीलचिकुरा निरपाया निरत्यया दुर्लमा दुर्गमा दुःख दुःखहंत्री सुखप्रदा दुष्ट दूरा दुराचार शमनी दोषवर्जिता सर्वज्ञा सांद्रकरुणा समानाधिकवर्जिता सर्वशक्तिमयी सर्वमंगल सद्गतिप्रद सर्वेश्वरी सर्वमयी सर्वमंत्र स्वरूपिणी सर्वयंत्रात्मिका सर्वतंत्र रूपा मनोन्मही महेश्वरी महादेवी महालक्ष्मी मृडप्रिया महारूपा महापूज्या महापातकनाशिनी महामाया महासत्वा महाशक्तिर्महारथी महाभोगा महेश्वर्या महावीर्या महाबला महाबुद्धिर्महासिद्धे महायोगेश्वरेश्वरी महातंत्रा महामंत्रा महायंत्रा महासना महायाग क्रमाराध्या महाभैरव पूजिता महेश्वर महाकल्पा महातांडव साक्षिणी महाकामेश महिषी महात्रिपुर सुंदरी चतुष्षष्टि पाशाराध्या चतुष्षष्टि कलामही चतुष्षष्टि पाशाराध्य चतुष्षष्टि कलामयी महाचतुष्षष्टि कोटि योगिनी निगण सेविता मनुविद्या चंद्र विद्या चंद्रमंडल मध्यगा चारु रूपा चारुहासा चारु चंद्र कलाधरा चराचर जगन्नाथ चक्रराज निकेतना पार्वती पद्मनयना पद्मराग समप्रभा पंचप्रेतासनासीना पंचब्रह्म स्वरूपिणी चिन्मयी परमानंद विज्ञानगण रूपिणी ध्यानध्येय देय रूपा धर्माधर्म विवर्जिता विश्वरूपा जागरणी स्वपन्ति तैजसात्मिका सुप्ता प्राज्ञात्मिका तुर्या सर्वावस्था विवर्जिता सृष्टिकर्त्री ब्रह्मरूपा गोप्री गोविंद रूपिणी संहारिणी रुद्ररूपा तिरोदानकरेश्वरी सदाशिवानुग्रहದ पंचकृत्य परायण भानुमंडल मध्यस्था भैरवी भगमालिनी पद्मासना भगवती पद्मनाभ सहोदरी उन्मेष निमिषोत्पन्ना विपन्ना भुवनावली सहस्रशीर्षवदना सहस्राक्षी सहस्रपाद आब्रह्म कीट जननी वर्णाश्रम विदायिनी निजज्ञारूप निगमा पुण्या पुण्य बलप्रदा श्रुति सीमंत सिंदूरी कृतपादाब्जदूलिका सकलागम संदोहा शक्ति संपुट मौक्तिका पुरुषार्थ प्रदा पूर्ण भोगिनी भुवनेश्वरी अंबिका नादि निधना हरि ब्रह्मेन्द्र सेविता नारायणी नाद रूपा नाम रूप विवर्जिता हिंकारी हिमति रुद्या हेयोपादेय वर्जिता राजराजार्जिता राज्ञी रम्या राजीवलोचना रंजनी रमणीरस्या रणत् किंकिणी मेघला रमा राकेन्दुवदना रतिरूपा रतिप्रिया रक्षाकरी राक्षसग्नि रामा रमण लंपटा काव्या काम कलारूपा कदम्ब कुसुम प्रिया कल्याणी जगति कंदा करुणा रस सागरा कलावती कलालापा कांता कादंबरी प्रिया वरदा वामनयना वारुणी मद विह्वला विश्वादिका वेद वेद्या विंध्याचल निवासिनी विधात्री वेद जननी विष्णु माया विलासिनी क्षेत्र स्वरूप क्षेत्रेशी क्षेत्र क्षेत्रज्ञ पालिनी शयवृद्धि विनिर्मुक्ता क्षेत्रपाल समर्जिता विजया विमला वंद्या वंदारुजन वत्सला वाग्वादिनी वामकेशी वन्ही मंडल वासिनी भक्तिमत कल्पलतिका पशुपाश विमोचिनी संवृता शेषपाषंडा सदाचार प्रवर्तिका तापत्रयाग्नि संदग्धा समालादान चंद्रिका तरुणी तापसाराध्या तनुमध्या तमोपहा चितिस्तग्ध्य लक्ष्याद्या चिदेक रसरूपिणी स्वात्मानंद विभूता ब्रह्माद्यानंद संतति परा प्रत्यक्ष चिति रूपा पश्यन्ति परदेवता मध्यमा वैखरी रूपा भक्तमानसांसिका कामेश्वर प्राणनाडि कृतज्ञा काम पूजिता शृंगार रस संपूर्ण जया जालंधर स्थिता ओड्याण पीठ निलया बिंदु मंडल वासिनी रहो याग क्रमाराध्या रहस्तर्पण तर्पिता सत्य प्रसादिनी विश्व साक्षिनी साक्षी वर्जिता षडंग देवता युक्ता शाकुण्य परिपूरिता नित्य क्लिन्ना निरुपमा निर्वाण सुखदायिनी नित्य षोडशिका रूपा श्रीकंठाद शरीरिणी प्रभावती प्रभा रूपा प्रसिद्धा परमेश्वरी मूल प्रकृतिरव्यक्ता व्यक्ता व्यक्त स्वरूपिणी व्यापिनी विविधाकारा विद्या विद्या स्वरूपिणी कामेश नयन कुमुदाल्दा कौमुदी भक्तहाद तमोभेद भक्तहाद तमोभेदा भानुमद्भानु संतति शिवदूति शिवाराध्या शिवमूर्ति शिवंकरी शिवप्रिया शिवपरा शिष्टेष्टा शिष्ट पूजिता अप्रमेया स्वप्रकाश मनोवाचा मगोचरा चिच्चक्ति चेतना रूपा जड़ शक्ति जड़ात्मिका गायत्री व्यावृति संध्या द्विज वृंद निषेविता तत्वासना तत्वमयी पंचकोशांतर स्थिता निस्सीम महिमा नित्य यौवना मदशालिनी मदगुणितरत्ताशी मदपाटल गंडभू चंद्रनद दिग्धांगी चांपेय कुसुम प्रिया कुशला कोमलाकार कुरुकुल्ला कुलेश्वरी कुलकुंडालय कौलमार्ग तत्पर सेविता कुमार गणनाथांबा तुष्टिर्पुष्टिर्मतिद्युति शांति स्वस्ति स्वस्तिमती कांतिर्नंदिनी विघ्ननाशिनी तेजोवती त्रिनयनां लोलाक्षी कामरूपिणी मालिनी हंसिनी माता मलयाचला वासिनी सुमुखी नलिनी सुभ्रु शोभना सुरनायिका कालकंठी कांतिमती शोभिनी सूक्ष्म रूपिणी वज्रेश्वरी वामदेवी वयोवस्था विवर्जिता सिद्धेश्वरी सिद्ध विद्या सिद्धमाता यशस्विनी विशुद्ध चक्र निलया रक्तवर्णा त्रिलोचना कट्वांगादि प्रहरणा वदनैक समन्विता पायसान्न प्रिया त्वस्ता पशुलोक भयंकरी अमृतादि महाशक्ति संवृता डाकिनेश्वरी अनाहताब्ज निलया श्यामा भावदनत्वया डंशोज्वलाक्षमालादिधर रुधिर संस्थिता कालरात्यादिशक्त्यौदन वृद्धा सिग्धौदन प्रिया महावीरेन्द्र वरदा राकिन्यांबा स्वरूपिणी मणिपुराब्ज निलया वदनत्रय संयुता वज्रादिकायुधोपेता डामर्यादिभिरावृता रक्तवर्णा मांसनिष्ठा गूढान्न प्रीतमानसा समस्त भक्त सुखदा लाकिन्यांबा स्वरूपिणी स्वादिष्टान्नाम्बुजगता चतुर्वक्र मनोहरा शूलादायुध संपन्ना पीतवर्णा त्रिगर्भिता मेधोनिष्ठा मधुप्रीता बन्दिन्यादि समन्विता दद्यन्नासक्तहृदया हाकिनी रूपधारिणी काकिनी धूपधारिणी मूलाधाराम्बुजारूढा पञ्चवक्रा संस्थिता अंकुशादिप्रहरणा वरदादिनिषेविता मुग्धौदनासक्तचित्ता साकिन्यांबा स्वरूपिणी We have class 5, 520. आज्ञा चक्राब्ज निलया शुक्लवर्णा षडानना मज्जा संस्था हंसवती मुख्य शक्ति समन्विता हरिद्रानैकरसिका हाकिनी रूपधारिणी सहस्रदल पद्मस्थ सर्ववर्णोपशोभिता सर्वायुधधर शुक्ल संस्थिता सर्वतोमुखी सर्वोदन प्रीत चित्ता याकिन्यांबा स्वरूपिणी स्वाहा स्वदामतिर्मेधा श्रुति स्मृतिरनुत्तमा पुण्यकीर्ति पुण्यलभ्या पुण्यश्रवण कीर्तना पुलोमजाजिता बंधमोचनी बंधुरालका विमर्शरूपिणी विद्या वियदादि जगत्प्रसू सर्वव्याधि प्रशमनी सर्वमृत्युनिवारिणी अग्रगण्या चिन्त्य रूपा कलिकल्मषनाशिनी कात्यायनी कालहंत्री कमलाक्ष निषेविता तांबूलपूरितमुखी डाडिमी कुसुमप्रभा मृगाक्षी मोहिनी मुख्या मृडाली मित्ररूपिणी नित्यतृप्ता भक्तनिधि नियंत्री निखिलेश्वरी मैत्र्यादिवासना लभ्या महाप्रलय साक्षिणी पराशक्ति परानिष्ठा प्रज्ञानगण रूपिणी माध्वीपानालसा माता मातृका वर्ण रूपिणी महाकैलासनिलया मृडालमुदुदौलता महनीया दयामूर्ति महासाम्राज्यशालिनी आत्मविद्या महाविद्या श्रीविद्या काम सेविता श्री षोडशाक्षरी विद्या त्रिकोटा कामकोटिका कटाक्ष किंकरीभूता कमला कोटि सेविता शिरस्थिता चंद्रनिभा बालस्तेन्द्रधनुप्रभा हृदयस्था रविप्रख्या त्रिकोणांतर दीपिका दाक्षायणी दैत्यहंत्री दक्ष यज्ञ विनाशिनी धरांदोलित दीर्घाक्षी दरहो सूर्योन्मुखी गुरुमूर्ति गुणनिधि गोमाता गुह जन्मभू देवेशी दंड नीतिस्ता धर आकाश रूपिणी प्रतिपन मुख्य राकांता तिथि मंडल पूजिता कलात्मिका कलानाथा काव्यालाप विनोदिनी सचामर रमावाणी सव्य दक्षिण सेविता आदिशक्तिरमेयात्मा परमा पावनाकृति अनेक कोटि ब्रह्मांड जननी दिव्य विग्रह क्लिंकारी केवला गुव्य कैवल्य पददायिनी त्रिपुरा त्रिजगद्वंद्व त्रिमूर्ति सिद्धेश्वरी तेक्षरी दिव्य गंधाढ़ सिंदूर तिलकांचिता उमा शैलेन्द्र तनया गौरी गंधर्व सेविता विश्वगर्भा स्वर्णगर्भा वरदा वागदीश्वरी ध्यानगम्या परिच्छेद्या ज्ञानदा ज्ञान विग्रह सर्ववेदांत संवेद्या सत्यानंद स्वरूपिणी लोपामुद्राजिता लीला कृता ब्रह्मांड मंडला अदृश्यादृश्य रहिता विज्ञात्री वेद्य वर्जिता योगिनी योगदा योग्य योगानंदा युगंधरा इच्छा शक्ति ज्ञान शक्ति स्वरूपिणी सर्वाधारा सुप्रतिष्ठा सदसद्रूपधारिणी अष्टमूर्तिरजा जैत्री लोकयात्र विदायिनी एकांगिनी भूमरूपा निर्द्वैता द्वैत वर्जिता अन्नदा वसुधा वृद्धा ब्रह्मात्मैक्य स्वरूपिणी बृहती ब्राह्मणी ब्राह्मी ब्रह्मानंदा बलिप्रिया भाषा रूपा बृहत्सेना भावा भाव विवर्जिता सुखाराध्य शुभकरी शोभना सुलभागति राजराजेश्वरी राज्यदायिनी राज्यवल्लभा राजकृपा राजपीठ निषेविता निजाश्रिता राज्यलक्ष्मी कोशनाथ चतुरंगबलेश्वरी साम्राज्यदायिनी सत्यसंधा सागर मेघला दीक्षिता दैत्यशमनी सर्वलोकवशंकरी सर्वार्थदात्री सावित्री सच्चिदानंद रूपिणी देशकाल परिच्छिन्ना सर्वगा सर्वमोहिनी सरस्वती शास्त्रमयी गुहांबा गुव्य रूपिणी सर्वोपाधि विनिर्मुक्ता सदाशिव पतिव्रता संप्रदायेश्वरी साध्वी गुरुमंडल रूपिणी कुलोत्तीर्ण बगाराध्या माया मधुमती मही गुणांबा गुव्यकाराध्य कोमलांगी गुरुप्रिया स्वतंत्रा सर्वतंत्रेशी दक्षिणामूर्ति रूपिणी सनकादि समाराध्या शिवज्ञान प्रदायिनी चित्कलानंद कलिका प्रेम रूप प्रियंकरी नाम पारायण प्रीता नंदी विद्या नटेश्वरी विद्या जगदाधिष्ठाना मुक्तिदा मुक्ति रूपिणी लास्य प्रियालय करी लज्जारंभा वंदिता भवदा वसुधा वृद्धा पापारण्यदवानला दौर्भाग्यतूल वातूल जरद्वांतर विप्रभा भाग्याब्धि चंद्रिका भक्त चित्त केकी गना रोग पर्वत दंबोली मृत्युदार कुटारिका महेश्वरी महाकाली महाग्रासा महासना अपर्णा चंडिका चंडमुंडासुर निशोधिनी शराशरात्मिका सर्वलोकेशी विश्वधारिणी त्रिवर्गदात्री सुभगा त्रयंबका त्रिगुणात्मिका स्वर्गापवर्गदा शुद्धा जपा पुष्प निभाकृति ओजोवती द्युतिधर यज्ञ रूप प्रिय व्रत दुराराध्या दुरादशा पाटली कुसुम प्रिया महती मेरु निलया मंदार कुसुम प्रिया वीराराड्या विराट रूपा विरजा विश्वतोमुखी प्रत्यक रूप पराकाशा प्राणद प्राण रूपिणी मातांड भैरवाराध्या मंत्रिणी नित्य राज्युदु त्रिपुरेशी जय सेना निस्सैकुण्या परापरः सत्य ज्ञानानंद रूपा सामरस्य परायण कपर्दिनी कलामाला काम दुःखाम रूपिणी कलानिधि काव्य कला रसज्ञा रसशेवदी पुष्टा पुरातना पूज्या पुष्करा पुष्करेक्षणा परम ज्योति परम धाम परमाणु परात्परा पाशहस्ता पाशहंत्री परमंत्र विभेदिनी मूर्ता मूर्ता नित्य तुप्ता मुनिमानस हंसिका सत्यव्रता सत्यरूपा सर्वंतर्यामिनी सती ब्रह्मिणी ब्रह्मजननी बहुरूपा उदाजिता प्रसवित्री प्रचंडाज्ञा प्रतिष्ठा प्रकटाकृति प्राणेश्वरी प्राणदात्री पंचषट्पीठ रूपिणी विशृंगला विविक्तस्था वीरमाता वियत्प्रसु मुकुंदा मुक्ति निलया मूल विग्रह रूपिणी भवज्ञा भवरोगग्नि भवचक्र प्रवर्धिनी चंद्रसारा शास्त्रसारा मंत्रसारा तलोदरी उदार कीर्तिरुद्धाम वैभववर्ण रूपिणी जन्म मृत्यु जरा तप्ता जन विश्रांति दायिनी सर्वोपाधि विनिर्दुष्टा शांत्यातीत कलात्मिका गंभीरा गगनांतस्था गर्भिता गानलोलुपा कल्पना रहिता काष्ठा कांतार्ध विग्रह कार्य कारण निर्मुक्ता काम केली तरंगिता कनक कनकताटंका लीला विग्रहधारिणी अजक्षय विनिर्मुक्ता मुक्ता क्षिप्र प्रसादिनी अंतर्मुख समाराध्या बहिर्मुख सुदुर्लभो त्रयी त्रिवर्गदात्री त्रिस्ता त्रिपुरमालिनी निरामया निरालंबा स्वात्मा रामा सुधा स्मृति संसार पंक निर्मग्न समुद्धरण पंडिता यज्ञ प्रिया यज्ञकर्ती यजमान स्वरूपिणी धर्माधारा धनाध्यक्ष धनधान्य विवर्धिनी विप्रप्रिया विप्ररूपा विश्वभ्रमणकारिणी विश्वग्रासा विद्रुमाभा वैष्णवी विष्णुरूपिणी अयोनियोनि निलया कूटस्था कुलरूपिणी वीरगोष्ठी प्रिया वीर्या नैष्कर्म्यानाद रूपिणी विज्ञान कलना कल्या विदग्धा वैंदवासना तत्वाधिका तत्वमे तत्वमात्र स्वरूपिणी सामगान प्रिया सौम्या सदाशिव कुटुंबिनी सव्याप सव्य मार्गस्था सर्वापाद्वि निवारिणी स्वस्था स्वभाव धीरा धीरा समर्जिता चैतन्य समाराध्या चैतन्य कुसुम प्रिया सदोदिता सदा तुष्टा तरुणादित्य पाटला दक्षिणा दक्षिणाराध्या दरस्मेरु मुकाम्बुजा कौलिनी केवला नज्ञा कैवल्य पददायिनी स्तोत्र प्रिया स्तुतिमती श्रुति संस्तुत वैभवा मनस्विनी मानवती महेशी मंगलाकृति विश्वमाता जगद्धात्री विशालाक्षी विरागिणी प्रगल्भा परमोद्धारा परमोद्धा मनोन्मयी व्योमकेशी विमानस्था वज्रिणी वामकेश्वरी पंचयज्ञ प्रिया पंच प्रेता मंचादिशायिनी पंचमी पंच भूतेशी पंच संख्योपचारिणी शाश्वती शाश्वतैश्वर्या शर्मदा शंभु मोहिनी धराधर सुता धन्या धर्मिणी धर्मवर्धिनी लोकातीता गुणातीता सर्वातीता क्षमात्मिका बंधुक कुसुम प्रख्या बाला लीला विनोदिनी सुमंगली सुखकरी सुवेशाढ्या सुवासिनी सुवासिन्यर्चना प्रीता शोभना शुद्ध मानसा बिंदु तर्पण संतुष्टा पूर्वजा त्रिपुरांबिका दशमुद्र समाराध्य त्रिपुरा शिवशंकरे ज्ञानमुद्रा ज्ञानगम्या ज्ञानज्ञेय स्वरूपिणी योनि मुद्रा त्रिकंडेशी त्रिगोणांबा त्रिगोणग अनगा अद्भुत चारित्र वांछितार्थ प्रदायिनी अभ्यासातिशय ज्ञात षडद्वान्तीत रूपिणी अव्याज करुणामूर्तिरज्ञान ध्वांत दीपिका आबाल गोप विदिता सर्वानुल्लंघ्य शासना श्रीचक्र राजनिलय श्रीमत् त्रिपुर सुंदरी श्री शिवा शिव शक्त्यैक्य रूपिणी ललितांबिका एवं श्री ललिता देव्यां नाम्नां सहस्रकं जगुः आबालगोपविदिता सर्वानुल्लंघ्य शासना श्रीचक्र राजनिलय श्रीमत् त्रिपुर सुंदरी श्री शिवा शिव शक्त्यैक्य रूपिणी ललितांबिका एवं श्री ललिता देव्यां नाम्नां सहस्रकं जगुः आबालगोपविदिता सर्वानुल्लंघ्य शासना श्रीचक्र राजनिलया श्रीमत् त्रिपुर सुंदरी श्री शिवा शिव शक्त्यैक्य रूपिणी ललितांबिका एवं श्री ललिता देव्यां नाम्नां सहस्रकं जगुः. Knowingly or unknowingly, if I've done any pronunciation mistake, or if you people have done any mistake, if I've knowing or unknowingly anything wrong, I forgive. I ask forgiveness to mother. So mother is like full of mercy. She will never say no. Like children learning bibi, baba before sentence, they learn to say ba, ma, like that. Like that, if when we are learning or chanting or trying to learn Lalita Sahasranama, if we make mistake, she will still be okay. Only thing is vak also, like ucharane, the pronunciation also she only gives. So you should ask her only that give me vak. So thank you so much. कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि. Thank you so much for all of you. Anybody has any questions, you can just I feel recitation can be little slower. Okay, got it. I will try. It is just that we have to, since correct pronunciation is also very important. Thank you. I feel the pace of, yes, taken into consideration. Some people 30 minutes is the limit what I have. So I'm trying to finish it in 30 minutes. While learning, we will definitely take only one line and then a chant. Thank you for your suggestion. Anybody else has any other suggestion? And I recommend her to have a physical book with you when you're, you can unmute and talk if you want to ask anything or suggest anything. Recommend a physical copy of the book because the book also has energy and it has its own vibration, and every line or mantra or shloka that you chant will have its own vibrations even if you don't know the meaning. Just like if you keep the Mahabharata, Bhagavatam, Ramayana, Durga Saptashati, and many other spiritual books, but book itself will have its own vibration. So I recommend to have a physical book that is like a sacred connect with for me. And learn, if you're learning for the first time, it will if you have a physical book and if you highlight underline, it will be good. Yes, correct pronunciation is mandate, but while learning, we are still in, it is an ocean. Ocean, I know very little drops. In that little drops, what I know, I'm trying to share whatever I have been blessed with. Anybody wants to share anything or we can close it? Thank you all. Love you all. See you all on the Amavasya day. Thank you. Good day.